Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys what you can do if your CapCut is very buggy. So this is very simple and it won't solve all of your problems on it, but this will just help clear up a few old files and even some bugs. So this is what deleting cache does on your application or on like browsers and stuff. So you are just going to go to menu and you are going to select settings. Now you have this. You can auto delete cache files if you want. Maybe choose like 15 days ago, or you can just straight delete it in cache size. So delete, but I think I have to close a project before clearing the cache. So I need to go to the home page to do that. And so I'm going to go to setting, and then settings again, and then I'm able to delete cache on the home page and select OK. And it's going to remove it for you, and hopefully all of the bugs will be deleted. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!